Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Guys, I hope you guys fine there. So guys, today we are going to study about next paragraphs of this chapter. So start from here. Well, it well to begin with Hog, said Trevor. I never thought that you would go around giving away money and recklessly beside means well to begin with hog means begin means to start with the hog and who said this? Trevor said this. I never thought you would go around giving away money so recklessly. Means I never thought like this, then you go there for giving money. After that, besides when you come in, I didn't know whether Hausberg would like his name being mentioned, and also I didn't know that Hausberg liked his name, and he wasn't in full dress, and he is also wasn't in full dress. What a duffer! He must think I am, said Hogg. Hogg said that that person think that I am a duffer man. So after not at all means no, he was in highest spirits after you left. After you left, kept chuckling to himself, and I couldn't make out why he was so interested to know all about you. Means he is not think that you are duffer, he also interested to know more about you. And after that, but I see it all now. He will invest your sovereign for you, pay you interest every 6 months, and have a good story to tell to all of his friends after dinner. Means your story will be he tell every story of you he share all story with their friends at dinner. I am most unlucky, growled Hog. The best thing I can do to go to go to bed. My dear Alan, you mustn't tell anyone about this. Means that person says that you have to not tell and describe this in front of anyone. After that, then he walked home feeling unhappy and leaving Alan Trevor in fits of laughter. Means the Alan and Trevor laughs and he left, and he left him to go home. After that, the next morning, as he was having breakfast, a servant brought a card which was written Monsieur Gustave Nodin, messenger from Bros Husband. Means he found a messenger at next day whose name is Bros Husband. Sorry, uh, Monsieur Gas Gustave Nodin, the name of that messenger. I suppose he has come for an apology, said Hogg to himself, and told the servant to show the visitor. Okay, he think that for apology he sent him. After that, an old gentleman with gold speckles and grey hairs came into the room, said, have the honor of addressing Monsieur Erskine. Hogg bowed. Miss Hogg shocked that he what he's saying. He and that old man has a white hair and he wear a golden speckle. After that, I have come from Baron Hausberg. He continued, the Baron. Means Baron Hausberg messages will be I gave you. I beg, sir, that you offer him my sincerest apologies, stammered Hogg. Means you also said to him my apology that I feel sorry for him. After that, the Baron said, the old gentleman with a smile has commissioned me to bring you this letter. Means that old person said with a smile that I have made a commission to give it to you. After that, and he extended a sealed envelope. On it was written a wedding present to Hogg Erskine and Laura Merton from an old beggar, and there was a check of 10,000 inside the envelope. There is a 10,000 rupees, and also there the on the envelope there is written the a wedding present, like a invitation presents. There is written, means that person gave him 10,000 rupees. That's the condition to marry the Laura. So that person is the richest person, so he can give him, and he gave him that thing. After that, what happened? when they were married when they were married, Alan Trevor was the best man. And the Baron made a speech at the wedding breakfast. Millionaire models, remarked Alan, are rare enough, but model millionaires are rare still. Means at the wedding they delivered a speech, which speech is delivered by the Baron, and the topic of that speech is model millionaire models. Understand? That is, Alan is rare enough, but model millionaire are rare still. Means still now that also rare for everybody to understand that in their life. Understand? This story has been narrated by Oscar Wilde. Understand, guys? So this is enough for today. Read quickly and understand completely about it. And after that, thank you and take care.